Hi folks, welcome to the first video of the series of developing real-time app using ASP.NET Core API, Entity Framework, and Angular from scratch. So to kickstart this, we actually need initially to set up the development environment. To set up development environment, we have to install some of the softwares by downloading from Google Chrome. So let's switch to Google Chrome browser and let's download the required softwares and install them. Okay. So let's switch to Chrome browser. Let's install .NET, latest version of .NET over here by navigating to this URL, that is .NET.microsoft.com /ens /download. So on this page, you'll be able to find .NET package where we can download this .NET and install into our machine. Okay. Since I've already installed this, I'll just show you once we download this, what is a file which will get downloaded. Okay. So once we download that, so this is the file which gets downloaded. On double clicking on this, this will actually provide a pop-up where we can install .NET into our machine. Okay, so since I have already installed .NET into my machine, that is the latest version 6, it's providing options for prepare, uninstall, and close. Since it's newly in your case, you'll be able to find next button over here which you can provide, which you can click on that next button couple of times and then click on finish to install .NET into our machine. Now what is the next step? Once we have installed .NET 6, we have to verify it got installed successfully in our machine or not, right? So what we have to do is we have to open command prompt. Okay, so this is a command prompt to check .NET got installed successfully and check the latest version has been installed or not. We have to provide the command .NET space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, so once we provide this command, we'll be able to see the version which got installed in our machine. So this shows that .NET got installed successfully and the latest one is .NET 6. So .NET 6 got installed successfully in our machine. Now what is the next software which we have to install? The next software which we need to install is Node.js. This Node.js need to be installed. The reason is we'll be able to develop the front end side of our website by making use of Angular, that is TypeScript. So to write the TypeScript code and support it, we have to make use of Node.js. So we are downloading and installing this Node.js. So this is a URL, that is nodejs.org/en/ where you can navigate to download Node.js into a machine. Okay. So here you can find the latest version of Node.js, which you can click on this link in order to download Node.js into your machine. So once it gets downloaded successfully, here you can find this over here. Once it got downloaded successfully, on double clicking of this, it will actually open this Node.js setup pop-up. Okay, and here you can click on next. You can accept the license agreement and click on next. It will ask for the destination folder where Node.js has to be installed. You can choose whatever the destination you need and then click on next. Keep everything as default and click on next. Again next. And finally you click on install. Then the Node.js would be installed successfully in your machine. Now to verify whether our Node.js got installed successfully in our machine or not, let's go to command prompt. Since in my machine this Node.js is already installed, I'm going to cancel the installation. Okay. Now, if you go to command prompt and provide node -v and press enter, you'll be able to see that the node version, that is 16.13.2, has been installed successfully in our machine. We also need to check if npm got installed as part of node. So we have to provide npm-v. Okay. So by providing this command, we'll be able to see npm also got installed successfully in our machine or not. So here you can find that 8.1.2, this is the version of npm got installed successfully. Now we verified .NET as well as Node got installed successfully. After these two, we also need a code editor where we can write our code, right? So which is the best code editor where we can write our code? That is .NET, as well as that is C# code, as well as Angular side, TypeScript code, everything we can write in a very lightweight tool, that is Visual Studio Code. So let's make use of Visual Studio Code by navigating to this URL, that is code.visualstudio.com. Here we can find the link to download for Windows. Okay. On click of this, you can download Visual Studio Code into a machine. So once it gets downloaded successfully, you'll be able to install it into a machine. Okay. So we have this code editor, we have Node.js, we have .NET installed in our machine. So what next? After these three got installed successfully, then you can go ahead and install Postman. Okay, so since we are developing ASP.NET API, we need Postman to actually hit and see if the API is working fine or not. So we'll be downloading this Postman tool, postman.com/downloads. This is the URL, and here you can find Windows 64-bit. You can click on this button to download Postman and then install it into your machine. So these are the necessary softwares to set up development environment in our machine. So this is the first video of the series where we are getting started with by creating real world application by making use of ASP.NET Core, that is 6.0, the latest version, and by making use of Angular for front end and entity framework. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment, and share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos.